Hello, everybody. Today we are going to be comparing two objects by using the same unit of measure and then comparing them and telling how much longer than or how much shorter than the object is. All right, so we're going to start off measuring this K. It's a metal K, and I want you to help me out. So I'm going to start measuring right there. Wait, what do you mean? Who told me to stop? I'm not doing it right? Why not? Oh, I have to start all the way at the bottom. I have to line up end to end and measuring from it, start at the end. All right, nice job. So I line it up like that, nice. And then I'm gonna do this one. I like this one, it's nice and big. Wait, what? You guys need to stop telling me to stop. I'm trying to teach. Wait, it's wrong? What's not the same size? This one? Oh, it's so much bigger. Well, they all have to be the same size. Okay, but this one's pretty. I can use this one, right? No, it's not the same size. Okay, guys, so I can't use this one and I can't use this one. Let's move them off. All right, let's see. I'll put this there and then I'll put this here. And then what? Wrong again? Oh, they all have to be a straight line. Can I do zigzags like this? Okay, straight line. All right, how's that? What? Where do you see that gap? You got it right there. All right. Nice job. Okay, so let's count how many paper clips long this K is. Ready? 5. Very nice job. So the K is 5 paper clips long. Now we're going to measure this cat toy. One of those squishy ones, and it has catnip inside of it, so the cat tries to get it out. All right, so I'm going to measure this, starting using the same unit of measure. And you're measuring from mass start at the end. When you're measuring from mass start at the end, no gaps or overlaps, line them up end to end. Then you're measuring from math start at the end. Alrighty, let's count and see how many paper clips long this cat toy is. Very nice job. So the cat toy is 3 paper clips long and the K is 5 paper clips long. How much longer is the K than the cat toy? How much longer is the K? Does this remind you of our graph? Absolutely, because it goes up. So let's see, we can look. They both have 1, they both have 2, they both have 3. How much longer is the K? 2, you're right. Can you put that in a complete sentence? The K is 2 paper clips longer than the cat toy. Nice job. All right, so I want to show you how we're going to do that on paper because this is going to be your assignment for later. You don't have to do this now, right? So I'm going to draw these, but instead of using paper clips, I'm just going to use circles. So we have 3 for the cat toy, and we have 5 for K. So just like before, we're going to line them up. They're 1, they each have 1, they each have 2, they each have 3. So these are those extra 2. Oh, looks like a smiley face. All right, those are the extra 2. Let's make a number sentence for this. So let's see, when we're figuring out what the difference is, difference means subtraction. So we start with the biggest number. What's the biggest number? Yeah, and subtraction, is that a plus or a minus? Absolutely. And then we have our other number. Yes. So 5 minus the 3 equals our 2. You're right. So now we can use that sentence with the words that we said, the complete sentence. So we can say the K is 2 paper clips longer than the cat toy. All right, let's do another one, practice, before you get to do the other one. All right, so we have a very long spoon. This is an iced teaspoon. You can go really deep and do a glass or a jar. And I have a paintbrush. All right, let's do the spoon first. When you're measuring for math, start at the end. When you're measuring for math, start at the end. No gaps or overlaps, line them up end to end. When you're measuring for math, start at the end. All right, let's see, we're gonna go end to end. That one's kind of a bumpy one, but it works. All right, let's count how many paper clips long is this spoon. Nice job, there is 6. All right, let's try this paintbrush. All right, count. All right, let's see. It's not going to take another full one. Make sure they're nice and tight, not overlapped. All right, so we're going to say, I know it's a little bit off, but we're going to say this paintbrush is 4 paper clips long. Nice job. So for the last one we did with the K and the cat toy, we did longer than. This time, let's see if I can get this closer for you guys. This time, we're going to do shorter than. All right, so you're going to end up doing a mix of longer than or shorter than, and it's up to you. So first thing we do is we're going to draw the picture. So let's see. All right, so let's start with the spoon. How many did we say there were? 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the paintbrush has, yep, you were right. Nice job. So we did longer for the first one, so shorter. So how many paper clips shorter is the paintbrush than the spoon? Well, let's see, now we have to compare them. They both have 1, they both have 2, they both have 3, and they both have 4. The extra, so how many shorter? What is missing? You got it, the 2. So let's make our number sentence. So we want to find the difference, because that's what we're trying to do. What's the difference between the 2? That means the biggest number goes first. Which one's bigger? Yes. Adding or subtracting? Good. Equals what? Yes, 2. It doesn't matter if we count these 2 or the 2 empty spaces. It's going to be the same no matter what. So now we're starting with the shorter one. Which one's the shorter one? Yes, the paintbrush. Give me the full sentence. Wait, slow down. The paintbrush is how many paper clips shorter? It's right here too. Nice work. 2, excuse me, is 2 paper clips shorter. Oops. See, even teachers make mistakes. The paintbrush is 2 paper clips shorter than what? What's next? The paintbrush is 2 paper clips shorter than the spoon. You're right. All right, so this is what I want you to do today. You are going to use a boom card. I know the kids from my class know what boom cards are, but let me show you. So boom cards look like that. And the link I'm going to give you in the comments is going to bring you to this. All right, that one. And then this kind of gives you directions on what to do, so you can watch that. And this is where you are going to need your paper. Okay, so we need, I need to open this up. Okay, so we're going to do it, both of them together. I don't think this will move over, will it? Yeah, maybe it can. Oh, look at that. I got close. Oh my goodness. Okay. So what we're going to do is you're going to have this on your computer screen, and then you'll have this with you. Okay. You are going to take the sock, because it says measure the clothes, order them from smallest to largest, and type in the measurement. So you're going to measure each one. You have to line it up just like we do. All right, so how long is that one? How long is that one? And then how long is that one? So now we need to measure, we need to order them from smallest to largest. So which one's the smallest? What color? Yep, the yellow. And how long was that one? Do you remember? Yep, it was 1. Okay, so now we need to put 1 here. Which one is next? Polka dots, yes. Do you remember how long? I don't. 2. So we're going to type in 2. And then this last one, double check. All right, so how many was that? Nice work. So now for your paper, okay, you need to do exactly what we did with this, but we're going to do it with these over here. Okay, so let me see if I can focus this a little bit better. Okay, whew, that works. All right, so you have to pick which 2 you want to do. I'm going to do the polka dot and the stripes. So how many polka dot socks are there? Yep. So you can do this with me. We're going to do this first one together. So make sure you have your paper, your name, math, day 8. Make sure it's labeled so you get credit for it. And today's the 15th. Okay, pause it here if you need to get this set up so we can do it together. All right, that has 2. How many units long is the stripe sock? Yes, 3. So make sure you draw your 3. All right, so this is the polka dot sock. And this is your stripe sock. Does your paper look like this so far? All right, pause it if you need to catch up. All right, so now we're going to compare them. Do they both have 1? You got it, so draw the line across it. They both have 2? Excellent. Did they both have 3? No, no, they don't. This one, the stripe sock has a 3rd one, but the polka dot sock doesn't. So now we need to figure out the number sentence. You do the drawing, the number sentence, and then the regular word sentence. So we need to find out the difference. So difference means subtract. What's the first number when we subtract? The biggest. So that means it's 3. Subtracting is minus. Good. The other number, we have 3, 2. Nice job. 3 minus 2 is 1. Nice job. So that's 1 unit, because it doesn't tell you what the name of these units are, but it is a unit. All right. So now you need to think, do you want to do shorter than or longer than? Okay, let's start with longer than. So which one is longer than? Good, the stripe sock. So let's start with that. The stripe sock is longer than Longer than what? So the striped sock is longer than, you're right, the polka dot sock. Nice work. So that's number 1. And once you're done with all of that, you can hit submit, this blue button. Got it correct, and it goes to the next one. So then you're going to start this all over again. Measure the clothes, order them from smallest to largest, and type in the measurement. So you're going to measure each one. Start at the end, that's 5. Start at the end, that one's 4. Oh, not you. And hey, and this is 2. All right, so which is the smallest? Yeah. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, that's 2. Good. Which one's next? Blue was, absolutely. What was that? Let's double check. That's 4. Good. And then this one was 5. So then you're going to go through number 2. You're going to pick which 2 you want. You have to decide. Right? There are 5 of these cards. We did the first one together. So you need to do 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Okay. The link for this Fast Play Boom card game will be inside these comments. So watch all of this. The first one should be done before you even click on the boom cards for yourself. All right, so you need to draw the picture. You need to write your number sentence, and then you need to write the word sentence. You're either using longer than or shorter than. Do the mix. Right? You can do one longer than, and then number 3, you want to do shorter than, and then another longer than. Just mix it up. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your teacher and ask and see what they want you to do about it, or you can check with me. Okay? All right, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.